If you're looking to remove the unwanted contaminants from your drinking and cooking water, fitting the best faucet water filter to your kitchen sink is a cost-effective way to purify. Installation is also comparatively easy to do versus maybe other drinking water system options. Check out the 5 top-rated faucet water filter options, along with a couple of the worst to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 5 best faucet water filters, plus 2 to avoid. Coming in at number 1. Wingsol Healthy Faucet Water Filter System. The Wingsol tap water filter is the best faucet water filter. It removes lead, arsenic, chlorine, and immediately improves the taste and smell too. Wingsol develops these gadgets to last for years. With a sturdy stainless steel design, there's no leaking, which is a known issue with faucet water systems. The Wingsol has developed a reputation for being uncrackable. The water flow remains steady and isn't affected by what you normally see coming from your tap. You also won't lose any sink space. Unlike other faucet water filter systems, the Wingsol water filter has a very compact design. The 5-stage filters last for 3 to 5 months. Coming in at number 2, Pure PFM 400H Faucet Mount Filter. The Pure Instant Pure system is the best pure faucet water filter system. The system has a sleek design that uses the space above your faucet instead of limiting the space closer to your sink. Hands down, this filter stands apart with the clarity, taste, and crispness when compared to most household brands. The Pure PFM 400H uses activated carbon filters with ion exchange to remove contaminants and impurities. Pure promises removal of 99% of the lead, 96% of the mercury, and it removes some other chemical contaminants as well. Pure also uses a filter indicator. Unlike other water filter systems, you don't regularly see the filter, so it's easy to forget that you need to change it. These filters last for anywhere from 1.5 to 4 months, depending on your water usage. Coming in at number 3, DuPont WFFM 350X CH Deluxe Faucet Water Filter. With a 200-gallon filter and a digital filter indicator, you can ensure your water is always thoroughly clean and free of unwanted contaminants. DuPont is a well-respected name in water filtration, and the DuPont WFFM 350X CH Deluxe system is the best DuPont faucet water filter available right now. The design is small and doesn't take up any unnecessary space over your sink. The installation of this system requires a bit of handiwork, but you definitely won't need to enlist a plumber. With a pair of pliers, you can have clean and clear water ready any time of the day. DuPont only delivers professional-grade water quality. This filter removes all sediments, heavy metals, and chemicals found in pesticides. There are 2 downsides to this filter. First, it occasionally leaks near the digital readout. This issue is easily remedied with DuPont's 4-year warranty on their products. The second downside is that this filter doesn't work on pull-down faucets. Looking to learn more about the best faucet water filters in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Powpro Fwat PP-JT-P05 Horizontal Filter. This cool design takes some space near your faucet, but keeps your sink clear. The Powpro Fwat PP-JT-P05 Horizontal Filter is also easy to install and completely removes chemicals, heavy metals, and even chlorine. There are 3 modes for this system, which makes it more versatile than other faucet water filter systems. The Powpro could have ranked higher for the best faucet water filter if it wasn't so prone to cracking. The Powpro system uses a 5-stage filter, which aims to not only remove unwanted contaminants, but also to ionize your water and improve alkalinity. Although you won't have completely alkaline water, the taste difference is noticeable right away. The filters for the Powpro last for about 3 months with regular water usage. A large family, however, would probably change filters every 2 months. Coming in at number 5, Culligan FM25 Faucet Mount Filter System. Completely remove the taste and smell of chlorine with the Culligan FM25 system. This is the best Culligan faucet water filter system, and they are regularly known for providing household drinking water solutions. They remove harmful chemicals found in herbicides and pesticides. The bonus for this faucet system is that it's compatible with all faucets, including pull-down models. It can also switch sides for installation, making it easy for righties and lefties. Anticipate changing this filter every 2 months for a family household. But if you only have 1 or 2 people in your home, the filter can last for as long as 6 months. The reason the Culligan filter is so far down on the list because it otherwise could have been the best faucet water filter, is the water leakage. Usually, after changing the filter, the device will have random but minor leaks. Either way, it's always best to be careful when changing filters. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite faucet water filters. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the freshness.com faucet water filters to avoid. Brita on-tap water filter system. The best Brita on-tap faucet water filter system couldn't stand up to the others on this list. Although Brita may have started the filter water craze years ago, their competition has surpassed them. The Brita on-tap water system is one of the worst faucet water filters because it isn't able to handle most household water needs. Even if you're using the filter for drinking water, you need to replace the filter every 6 to 8 weeks. Then if you accidentally use the filter for anything like cooking, it will need replacing much sooner. Brita's inability to match the needs of a standard household is only the first problem. After the issues with its capacity is the issue of the design. The Brita on-tap filter leaks heavily, even before its first filter change. Pure FM 3333 filter. Although this faucet-mounted water filter should be avoided, it is known for removing lead. However, the problems it comes will have you second-guessing on whether it was worth the purchase price. With its plastic shell and substandard design, we expected more from Pure FM 3333 water filter. There shouldn't be any signs of leaking within the first few months, but especially right after installation. The installation is easy, but you'll see water coming out of the faucet, connector, and near the control switch. All our leaking aside, the filters only last for about 6 weeks and aren't cheap either. These filters are focused on removing lead and heavy metals, which means they are quickly filled with contaminants. Instead, opt for another Pure option. The best Pure faucet water filter is the Pure PFM 400H and ranked in second place on our list. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best faucet water filters. When you choose the best faucet water filter system for your home, you should consider the capacity, filter type, and what it's designed to remove. Now that you've got all that info needed, get ready to enjoy a glass of clean, pure, and crisp drinking water right from the tap. Looking to learn more about the best faucet water filters in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite best faucet water filter. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.